Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. In this video, I am going to explain CBSE syllabus class 8 chapter 11 mensuration. So it is also used for DSC, okay, school assistant maths. Okay, so in exercise 11.1, first one. So a square and a rectangle filled with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter, which field has a larger area. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే అమ్మా స్క్వేరు రెక్టాంగిల్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ రెండు ఫీల్డ్స్లో పెరిమీటర్ చుట్టుకొలత రెండింటికి చుట్టుకొలత ఈక్వల్ అయితే ఏ ఫీల్డ్ ఎక్కువ ప్లేస్ ఆక్యుపై చేస్తుంది, ఏ ఫీల్డ్కి ఎక్కువ ఏరియా ఉంది అని అడుగుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ముందు పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్ చతురస్రం చుట్టుకొలత ఏంటిది 4 ఇంటూ సైడ్. ఓకే, పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగిల్ ఏంటిది 2 ఆఫ్ ఎల్ ప్లస్ బి. సో ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన మెజర్మెంట్స్ వాట్ గివెన్ మెజర్మెంట్స్ గివెన్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ 16 మీటర్. నెక్స్ట్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ఏ rectangle is 18 meter. So here what given here square the perimeter of a square is equal perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle given. So perimeter of a square, what the formula? 4 into side. Perimeter of a rectangle formula is what? 2 of L plus B. So 4 into side of a square is how much? 60. 2 of L is how much? 80. Here they given the length of a rectangle. So breadth given that. Okay, so 460 is 240 is equal to of 80 plus b. 2 multiple come to left side of divide. So 240 by 2 is equal to 80 plus b. So 2 1 ja 2 120 ja. So here 120 is equal to 80 plus b plus 80 itself minus. So 120 minus 80 is equal to b. B is equal to how much? 40. So breadth of a rectangle is how much? 40. So but here what asking that which field has a larger area. So how can find area of square and area of rectangle? So area of square field is side into side. So side of a square is how much? 60. So 60 into 60, that is 6 ja 36 0 0 2 zeros meter square. So area of square is how much? 3600 meter square. Next, area of rectangular field is L into B. L is 80, B is how much? 40. So here 0 0 4 8 ja 32. So how much? 3200 meter square. So here which area is larger? Square field area is larger than rectangular field. So rectangular field. So how much it is larger? 400 meter square. So here 3600 minus 3200 is square, it is rectangle. It is how much? 400 meter square is larger than the rectangular field. Next, Mr. Kaushik has a square flat with the measurements as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the flat. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of the developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. So this is the square field. In this square field, the constructive one flat The plat shape is rectangle shape. So between the square field and plat, the area is there. In this area, they are developing a garden. Okay, so here, what is asking that how much cost for the developing a garden between the square and rectangle. So with the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. So how we can find? First, here how we can find this area of the garden? So area of outer minus area of inner. We can get the area of remaining place. So here given side of a square plat is 25 meter. Next, length of house is 20 meter. Breadth of house is 15 meter. So that is here area of garden. Area of garden is area of square plat minus area of rectangular house. Area of rectangular house. Area of rectangular house. So area of square, side into side, minus area of rectangular house, length into breadth. So side 25 into 25 minus length 20 into 15. So 25 into 25 is how much? 625 minus 2050 is how much? 300. So 625 minus 300, how much? 325 meter square. 325 meter square. So here to developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. For meter square, how much cost? 55 rupees. Here how many meter squares are there? What the area of the garden? 325 meter square. So here the cost of developing a garden per meter square is how much? 55. So the cost of developing a garden for 325 meter square is 325 into 55. So 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. So same 5 2 6 1. So 5 7 8 2 7 1. So how much cost? 17,875 rupees. The cost of developing a garden for 325 meters square is how much? 17,875 rupees. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.